Hi, everyone. I'm Margaret Fontana, the Executive Director of the New Jersey Italian Heritage Commission, and I'm excited to share that we're now accepting applications for our fall 2026 and spring 2027 internship program. This is much more than an internship. It's an opportunity to make a real impact while building the skills and experience that'll help shape your future. If you're passionate about marketing, communications, media, education, filmmaking, nonprofit leadership, event planning, PR, or preserving culture and history, this program is definitely meant for you. As an intern, you'll work directly with me and the entire commission on projects that truly matter. You'll gain hands-on experience in strategic communications, educational outreach, public programming, and community engagement, which is very big. You'll attend meetings, help support events, collaborate with leaders across the state of New Jersey, and receive mentorship throughout the semester, which I think is a really great way to learn in different ways aside from just learning from books. Is what we would call an experiential experience. So I would say also what makes this experience unique is that you'll have firsthand knowledge on how ideas become initiatives that educate thousands of students, strengthen communities, and preserve the rich legacy of Italian and Italian American heritage for future generations. And again, whether you're looking to build your resume, expand your professional network, or discover how your talents can create meaningful change, this internship offers an incredible place to learn, grow, and definitely contribute. If you're ready to challenge yourself, gain some real world experience, and be part of something larger than yourself, I encourage you to apply. I'm really excited to meet a lot of different students who come from different backgrounds. So if you feel like, this is just about Italian American, this is about culture. So we welcome anyone to apply for this internship, and we welcome a lot of new ideas as well. So again, if you're the next generation of a leader, a storyteller, an educator, or a change maker, I want to hear from you. And then please visit our website for the complete job description and details on how to get your resume and cover letter to me. Thanks.